Okay, so in previous video we have seen how to make the part 1 of the stuffing box. In this video we are going to see how to make the part 2 of stuffing box, which is also known as the gland. So let us start. Create on new part. Select the standard IPT part. Press create. Let us start 2D sketch. Select the plane, and now see, so we are going to make the part 2 using 3 steps. This is the first step where you are going to make till here, then second step, and this third step, right? So in first step we have to create a cylinder of outer dia 42, inner dia is 24, right? So let us make. Before that, you know that we have to change the units to mm. Here were we. Now the units are in mm. 42 outer dia and 24 inner dia, right? Let us see what is the extrusion length. It is 45 mm. So we are going to extrude it. Extrude this part. Yeah, so we are going to select this part, and the extrusion length is 45 mm. Press OK. Now select this face, create new sketch. On this face we are going to draw the sketch for this part, this 15 mm section, and that we are going to see in the top view, right? So radius of curvature for this profile is 75 and for this profile is 18, right? So the same way as we have done in the previous part, we are going to follow the same step, and the step is as follows. First you have to draw these two circles which are 84 mm apart from each other, and the diameter is 13 mm, right? So let us create circles first. Dia is 13 mm. Same way here, dia is 13 mm. And they are 84 mm apart. So this will become 42, right? 84 mm apart from each other. Now this radius of curvature is R18. So we are going to make a circle whose dia is 36. 36 over here, 36 over here, right? And then we are going to select a 3-point arc. First point is this, second point is this, and this is the third point, right? Okay, so this dimension we have to give R75. So here we have to enter 75 mm. Now we have to give constraint. This part and this part has to be tangent. This part and this part has to be tangent. Now this is the perfect. Same way we have to make an arc. This point, and 75 mm. Put constraints. Yeah, now you are going to trim the extra part, which is this and this. So this is how your profile is going to look like. Edit this sketch first. In edit sketch, we are going to project the geometry, which is this geometry. Right? Finish sketch and extrusion Now this is the perfect profile. Now we are going to make the last step, and how we are going to do it, let us see. 50 mm is the diameter. You are going to select this plane, create sketch, center. 50 is your diameter, and then you are going to extrude it till 9 mm. Now you go to the YZ plane, create sketch on this plane, and now here you are going to draw what you have to draw. Let me show you. This total distance is 46. So from half section we are going to draw. We have to select a point here. 46, half of 46 is 23. So 23 is your line, and then after 23, 12 mm is the depth. So from here draw another line of 12 mm. Okay, yes. Then what you have to do, you can do in two ways. One is create 23 mm line and then join these two lines, right? And at the end give fillet of radius 12. Select this line and this line. That is how you get a radius of curve of 12 mm. And this is your closed profile. Go to 3D model, select the revolve option, select the profile is already being selected, and then you have to extrude cut, right? So in the output option you have a option over here which says cut. Click on cut 360. Oh, select axis. So you have to select one axis, which model tree you can see. You can select the Z axis and press OK. So this is how your part is going to look like, right? So that's your final part. Let us see if there are any uh, features which are missing. Yes, the last feature is over here. They say the chamfer, you have to give a chamfer of 15 degrees, right? So that's your profile, chamfer. Select this face, this edge, and at an angle you put 15, and increase the distance to, so this distance is how much from here to here. The total was 42. 42 minus half of 42 is 21. 21 minus 12, 9 and press apply. OK. So you can see you have got an curve over here of 15 degrees, and the distance will be 9 mm. That you have to calculate on your own. So your part 2 is ready, right? If you have to assign materials, we know that we have to go in tools, select materials. The material mentioned over here is brass, so you either select from the directory. It shows brass, soft yellow, welded, anything you can select. You select soft yellow, let's say. Brass, yes. So the brass color material has been selected. This is how your part looks like. So thanks for being here. Let us see you in the next video, where we are going to model this small part, the third part. Till then, bye bye.